All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're breaking down a huge off-campus hiring drive from one of India's tech giants, Infosys. We're going to look at their systems engineer trainee role for freshers and unpack what it's all about. So if you're graduating in 2024 or 2025, you are definitely going to want to listen up. We're about to cover everything you need to know about this opportunity. Let's dive in. Here's the game plan. We'll start with the opportunity itself. Then we'll see if you're eligible. After that, we'll explain what the role actually is, what you'll be doing day to day, and then walk you through how to apply. And stick around because we'll end with a super important final check that every single job seeker needs to hear. Okay, let's get to the main event. What is Infosys actually putting on the table here? Well, this is an entry-level position, and it's specifically designed to bring fresh, new talent right into the IT industry. So, here are the key facts, nice and simple. The role is Systems Engineer Trainee. It's only for freshers, specifically from the 2024 and 2025 batches. The salary you can expect is somewhere between 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, and they're hiring for locations all across India. It's your classic big-time fresher hiring drive. Now that we know what the job is, we've got to ask the next big question, right? Are you actually qualified for it? This is where we break down all the academic requirements you'll need to have ticked off.
Okay, the criteria here are pretty specific, so pay attention. You need an engineering or tech degree, an MCA, or a Master of Science in fields like computer science, electronics, math, or stats. And check out the scores. They're looking for a consistent minimum of 60% in your 10th and 12th grades, plus you need at least a 6 CGPA, that's your cumulative grade point average, or 60% in your degree. That part's non-negotiable.
And, to make the whole application process way smoother for yourself, just get all this stuff ready beforehand. It's the usual info, your name, contact details, address, all of that, but also your full academic history and, of course, an updated resume. Being prepared just makes life easier. So, you've checked the boxes and you're eligible. Awesome. But what does a systems engineer actually do, especially when you're just a trainee? Let's clear up what that title really means. Think of this as your front door into the world of IT services. The whole point of the role is for you to learn how to build, implement, and maintain the tech systems that make businesses run. You're not just doing busy work. You'll be part of a team working on real projects for Infosys clients all over the world. All right, let's get into the weeds a little bit. What does a typical day look like in this role? What are you actually going to be doing? This is where the job description becomes real. You'll be doing a lot more than just coding, that's for sure. You'll be involved in the design of systems, writing and testing code, keeping things running, and jumping in to solve technical problems when they pop up. A huge part of the job is working with other teams, and you'll also be expected to keep learning on their internal platform, Infosys Lex, to make sure your skills stay fresh. Okay, so you're eligible, you get the role, and you're thinking, yeah, I want to go for this. What do you do next? Let's walk through the exact steps you need to take to get that application in. The process itself is pretty simple. You'll find the official link, probably make a new account, and then just fill out the form. But listen, the most important steps here are 4 and 5. Make sure you upload all the correct documents, and please, double-check every single detail before you hit that submit button. You don't want a tiny typo to ruin your chances. Now hold on, before you click away and start applying, I want to share one last really important thing. This is a little secret that can make a huge difference, and it's all about paying super close attention to the source of the job post itself. We just went through this whole job posting, right? It looks official, it has all the details, but is everything really as it seems? Let's take a closer look at the About the Company section from the very job post we've been analyzing. Whoa, wait a minute. Insurance? Claims support? Does that sound like the Infosys we all know? The global IT consulting powerhouse? No way. This is a massive red flag. It looks like someone just copied and pasted the wrong company description into the job posting. And when you put them side by side, the mistake is just glaring. On the left, you have what Infosys actually does. And on the right, you have what this job post says. They're not even in the same ballpark. Now, this doesn't automatically mean the job is fake, but it absolutely means the posting was put together carelessly. So what's the big lesson here? It's this. Always, always verify the information yourself. Go directly to the company's official careers page. Cross-check the details. When you spot an error like this, it proves you're not just another person blindly clicking apply. It shows you're sharp, you're observant, and you have great attention to detail, which, by the way, is a skill every employer wants.
Okay, let's wrap this all up with the key takeaways. We know Infosys is hiring for a systems engineer role for 2024 and 2025 grads. We know the eligibility rules, specific degrees, and that 60% or 6 CGPA minimum. The job covers a wide range of responsibilities, and the application is a simple online form. But the most important takeaway? Always double-check the details of any job posting you find.
So now you have the whole picture. You know the opportunity, the requirements, the process, and you have that critical mindset to go with it. The only question left is the one that only you can answer. Is this the right move for your career?